Hello everyone, welcome to the batch upload vendor credits tutorial. In this guide, we're going to walk through how to batch upload your vendor credits into the system. Typically, this is part of preserving your AP aging. So if you want to upload balances for vendor credits into the system, this is the way you do it. So the first thing you want to do is head on over to the upload vendor credits module. And basically, similar to the other uploads in the system, you're going to want to follow the steps laid out in this module. So that includes downloading the template, filling the template in with data, and uploading it into the system. Before you go ahead with the upload, one thing you do want to make sure is go to your app config module and just make sure your offset account is set. So a vendor credit is going to debit your accounts payable, and it's going to credit an account of your choice. So basically the opening balance account or suspense account, you want to make sure you select that here. So you want to make sure your miscellaneous charge, income, and expense accounts are set um, before you go ahead with the upload vendor credits module. So just make sure to select this as an opening balance equity account or some sort of suspense account. This is typically done before your books are transferred over. So once those accounts are set, just head on over back to the upload vendor credits module. And I'm actually just going to download the blank template just to show you all what it looks like. And so basically it's pretty straightforward. You're going to put in a store code here. So this is to associate your vendor credit with an inventory set. You can go to the store center to determine what code you're going to use. Make sure the vendor name is exactly the way the vendor is in Xoro. If the vendor name isn't exactly like that, you'll have to create it. And also the upload will basically give an error saying the vendor couldn't be found. You can put in a date. The exchange rate can be something other than 1 if the vendor is a foreign vendor. And then just make sure to put in a positive value for the amount. So this is a positive value for the vendor credit. So I already have a sample here that's filled out, and you can see I've actually intentionally I've put in a wrong vendor name here for the third entry. I've put in an extra period there. So when I try this upload, it's actually going to complain. So let's go ahead. Let's try this upload. And click on verify and upload and go upload vendor credits, and it's actually going to give me an error as expected. So let's download the file. Let's see what the error says. And as guessed, it says that it couldn't find this vendor because of that extra character. So I'm going to go back into my template here. I'm going to fix that to make sure it matches how it is in the system. Save this file and let's go ahead. Let's try the upload again. Click on upload vendor credits, and now the vendor credits have gone through.